Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see about Saussurean principles. Some of Saussure's most central ideas about language study were expressed in the forms of pairs, like diachrony versus synchrony. Diachronic means historical and synchronic means non-historical approaches to language study. Now, diachronic sees language as a continually changing medium, but synchrony sees it as a living whole, and he thinks that it is existing as a state at a particular moment in the time. So, this is what is synchrony and diachrony. And Saussure illustrates this point using an analog with a game of chess. If we walk into a room while a chess game is being played, we can easily assess the state of the game by studying the positions of the pieces on the board. And then he talks about lingua and parole. Language is a faculty of speech which is present in all the human beings, and this is because of the hereditary. Because human beings have the habit of the ability to speak, and this is because of the hereditary. And this faculty is composed of two aspects, that is lingua, the language system, and parole, the act of speaking. Now, lingua is the totality of a language, that is the number of words that a person knows in his mind. And parole is the actual concrete act of speaking, that is how many words you know is lingua, and when you're expressing an idea, what are the words you're using is parole. And then we have the signifier, signified, and sign. Here Saussure recognized two sides to the study of meaning, and his labels for the two sides are signifier, that is what you're trying to say, or the sound image, that is you want to express your idea and you're using words for it, and signified, the thing which is the concept which has been told. And this relationship of signified to signifier Saussure calls a linguistic sign, and the sign is the basic unit of communication within a community. So, lingua is seen as a system of signs. Then we have synagmatic and associative or paradigmatic. A sentence and a sequence of signs, and each sign contributes something to the meaning of the whole. That is, a sentence has many words, and in that each and every word has some meaning, and the whole sentence and each words convey that meaning. When the signs are seen as a linear sequence, the relationship between them is called syntagmatic. As we see in the sentence, she can go. When a sign that is present is seen as contrasting with other signs in the language, the relationship is called associative. And later studies, this associative is called as paradigmatic. As in she versus he, can versus will, go versus run in the above sentence. And these two dimensions of structure can be applied to phonology, vocabulary, or any other aspect of language. The result is a conception of language as a vast network of interrelated structures and mutually defining entities, a linguistic system. If you have anything more to add on to what I've said, please write it in the comment box, like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you.